Happy Thursday, print fan. I'm having one of those days that I have so much to do that I'm just not sure where to start, and I keep avoiding doing anything. It's currently noon, and I don't feel like I've gotten anything done. I have replied to a couple of emails, and yeah, that's really about it. So, in fairness, I didn't get out of bed till 9, and I didn't get out to the shop till 10, and then I had to go help with the kids for a minute, so I haven't really been working that much anyway. But I have to get the latex run today, so just so you guys know, in case you didn't know, my computer monitor, which is just a 55-inch TV, is right behind you. So that's why I'm like, yeah. Anyway, so there are a couple of jobs that are due tomorrow, and I've got to converse with Bob to get firm details, but they are due tomorrow. We've got some 8.5 by 11 prints that we need to get done for a customer, and then I might do some letterhead just because I'm turning the printer on, because the 8.5 by 11 prints there's 4 of them, so stupid turning the printer on for 4 prints. And then there's a bunch of latex stuff that has to be done. So we're doing some pricing menus, some 2-inch stickers, some food menus, and some 4-inch stickers, and then some no food or drink stickers. So all of those are on the latex, and they're all due tomorrow. They all say that the artwork, well, all except the 4-inch stickers say the artwork is ready. So I gotta figure out what artwork it is and get it laid out in flexi and get it printed, and yeah. So, plus we have some masonite boards that we're supposed to mount something of something, or something, I don't know. So we're gonna see what we gotta do, because I'm confused a little bit, but yeah. So let's get some work done, because I need to make some money. I haven't paid myself since December, and my wife finally told me that she needs money by next Friday to make the house payment. So I gotta figure out a way to make money that actually makes it to my pocket, because the business is doing a bunch of money, but it's having to pay for itself. Like today I had to spend $4,000 on some water bottles for Bob, and so I keep spending money on the business and I can't put it back in my pocket. So here goes. Print fan, today's gonna be a bit of a boring vlog because I didn't really start doing anything till noon. Now it's 2, and all I've been doing is computer work. I guess to kind of give you an update, if I can see behind the camera here, I did a revision of business cards for a realty office or I don't remember how to say it. Real estate, realtor, realty, whatever. 4 different sets. They've got, I guess 3 sets, 3 agents that need it, and then I sent a design off to Penji for, they want little Wi-Fi business cards that they can hand out to people that come to the office. So I sent that over to Penji, and then I've got an accountant that I do work for. They're opening an office in Las Vegas, and so they want a card that's double-sided with the 2 different accountants or whatever they are, information, one on one side, one on the other. So I got that sent off. All these cards are actually outsourced cards. The reason I do that is because shipping and the finishes that they want. So I make a little bit less profit, but less work, I guess. I got an approval to do some asset assessment flyers. They're just gonna be on plain paper. They sent me a Word document, so I also sent that over to Penji just to say, hey, see if you can spruce this up, and then I'll send it back to them. They're in my BNI group, so if anything, I'll just say, okay, print it and take it on Tuesday, or if I could get this one back from Penji by tomorrow, then I'll say, hey, made this revision, what do you think? Which one do you want me to print? So we'll see how that goes. I'm still waiting to hear back from Bob on the HP latex stuff. I'm not sure what artwork I'm supposed to print. It says a couple of menus and different things, and there's a ton of artwork in that folder. Part of it's because I gave Bob this customer and I know what some of it is, and some of it I'm like, I don't know what I'm printing. So I called in, sent him a text, haven't heard back. So Bob, he's MIA. Trying to think what else. I did send a shirt order off. Ordered the blanks from Sanmar. They're being drop shipped to my screen printer. They'll get it screen printed and I'll pick it up next week. So I sent that off to them. They confirmed that they received it. And that's about it. So I do have a couple things of vinyl that I'm going to go attach some transfer tape to, just so I can get them out of the way. And I did get approval on a business card order that I'm printing in-house, 1,000 pieces that I will print as soon as I print whatever I'm printing next on the Konica. So whether it's the menus that Bob needs when he gets back to me, or the letterhead that is due Tuesday, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, Print Fam, I am calling it a night. As you saw, I cleaned up the office a little bit. I feel a lot better. Tomorrow, I'll probably get those backpacks that I cleaned up heat pressed and done. I have had this heat press stuff here and done since like December. I think he wanted to initially give him as Christmas presents to his staff, and obviously that hasn't happened. Sometimes when it's your buddies and you're doing projects for them at super cheap rates, in reality it'd be better just to charge them the retail rate and do it on time for him. So I definitely will have to apologize to him, but I'm gonna try to get those done tomorrow. We're gonna run the latex for Bob. He finally got back to me. It was really funny. I answered the phone and pretended to be my voicemail, and he hung up thinking it was his voicemail, or was my voicemail. So called him back, got everything situated there so we can get all of his prints done tomorrow. So stick around for tomorrow's video, because we'll be doing 1,000 business cards, a couple of 8.5 by 11s. We might do the letterhead. I'll see how it goes. And then we're doing a bunch of bigger prints. We're doing some 2-inch stickers, some 4-inch stickers, some 2 foot by 4 foot menu boards, and then we're gonna mount them to some masonite and chalkboard that we have out in the shop that Bob brought by yesterday. So things are moving right along. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day to get all this done. All the stuff on the latex is due tomorrow. So that's what I'll be doing all morning. I think I already said it's a little after 6, so I'm calling it a night. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., leave those questions down in the comments. Now, as far as did I meet my goal, let's take a look-see. I don't remember. I did. I met my goal. Surprised I didn't remember it because I doubled it. So I made the invoices for the shirts that I sent off earlier. So yes, I met my goal. Do you think maybe we can have a smiley face for every yes that I say, Cam? Yes, yes, yes. I mean, not Cam, Cameron. Thank you, Cameron, for editing the videos. I don't know why. It's true. It's like, I know your name's Cameron, but inevitably everyone calls you Cam. So, which do you prefer? Do you have a preference?
Not really. I don't really care. Call me whatever you feel like calling me. Cam, Cameron, whatever. But Cam is inevitable.
Thanks as always for watching, Print Fam. Again, if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. If you want to support the channel, you can do so by hitting that like button, the thumbs up, whatever it's called. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to have you stick around. Links in the description where you can support us if you want to do so monetarily. Thank you as always, and we'll see you next time, Print Fam.